Welcome to your Bible adventure. How well do you know the Old Testament? Test yourself with these Bible quiz. 25 choices, one answer in 10 seconds. Ready? Let's get it. Easy level. First question. Which son of Adam and Eve killed his brother Abel? A. Seth. B. Cain. C. Enoch. B. Cain. Who was the father of Isaac and founder of Israel? A. Lot. B. Noah. C. Abraham. C. Abraham. Which beautiful queen saved her nation from a deadly plot? A. Esther. B. Ruth. C. Orpah. A. Esther. Who was the great-grandmother of King David from Moab? A. Leah. B. Rebecca. C. Ruth. C. Ruth. Which young boy was called by God while sleeping in the temple? A. Samuel. B. David. C. Isaac. A. Samuel. Medium level. Kindly subscribe for more quizzes. Thanks. Who was the brother of Moses and the first priest? A. Caleb. B. Aaron. C. Joshua. B. Aaron. Which woman was turned into a pillar of salt? A. Jezebel. B. Delilah. C. Lot's wife. C. Lot's wife. Which judge defeated the Midianites with only 300 men? A. Gideon. B. Samson. C. Barak. A. Gideon. Which wicked queen sought to kill the prophet Elijah? A. Athaliah. B. Jezebel. C. Vashti. B. Jezebel. Which son of David was hung by his hair in an oak tree? A. Amnon. B. Adonijah. C. Absalom. C. Absalom. Who led the Israelites into the promised land after Moses died? A. Joshua. B. Aaron. C. Eleazar. A. Joshua. Which prophet succeeded Elijah and performed double the miracles? A. Jeremiah. B. Isaiah. C. Elisha. C. Elisha. Which Babylonian king went mad and lived like an animal? A. Cyrus. B. Nebuchadnezzar. C. Darius. B. Nebuchadnezzar. Which wise woman was the only female judge of Israel? A. Hannah. B. Miriam. C. Deborah. C. Deborah. Who was David's best friend and the son of King Saul? A. Abner. B. Jonathan. C. Joab. B. Jonathan. Hard level. Who was the father of the prophet Samuel? The answer is Elkanah. Which left-handed judge assassinated the fat king Eglon? A. Ehud, B. Othniel, C. Shamgar. A. Ehud. Which giant king of Bashan had a massive iron bed? A. Agag, B. Sihon, C. Og. C. Og. Who was the cousin and guardian of Queen Esther? It was Mordecai. Which prophet was told to marry an unfaithful woman? A. Joel, B. Hosea, C. Micah. B. Hosea. Impossible level. Who walked with God and was taken to heaven without dying? It was Enoch. Who was the mother of Solomon and wife of Uriah? It was Bathsheba. True or false? Caleb was one of the 2 faithful spies. True, it was Caleb and Joshua. Which high priest died after hearing the ark was taken by the Philistines? The answer is Eli. True or false? Bezalel was chosen by God to build the tabernacle. The answer is true.